We want to integrate 2x plus 3 multiplied by x squared plus 3x minus 5 all to the power 6 with respect to x between the limits x is 1 and x is 3. When we have limits on an integration by substitution, we can just change the limits into the new variable. We'll see this as we work through this example. Here we're going to let u be x squared plus 3x minus 5. If we differentiate this, we get du dx is equal to 2x plus 3. And separating the variables gives du is equal to 2x plus 3 times dx. So we have du is 2x plus 3 dx, and if we look at the integral above, this means we can substitute the 2x plus 3 and the dx for du. We're also going to deal with the limits. At the moment, these limits are x limits since we have an x integral. If x is equal to 1, u is 1 squared plus 3 times 1 take away 5, which is minus 1. If x is equal to 3, u is equal to 3 squared plus 3 times 3 take away 5, which is 13. So now we can rewrite the integral. We'll change the limits into u limits, so minus 1 to 13. The 2x plus 3 and the dx we replace by du, and the x squared plus 3x minus 5 gets replaced by u, so we integrate u to the power 6. This gives us u to the 7 over 7 between minus 1 and 13. So to evaluate, we just substitute the limits in the usual way. 13 to the 7 over 7, take away minus 1 to the 7 over 7, and evaluating this on the calculator gives 8,964,074.